Alright besties, let's dive into this set matrix zeros problem. Basically, if we find a 0 in the matrix, we gotta zero out its entire row and column. First, we're gonna create a function set zeros that takes the matrix as input. To do this, let's get the number of rows and columns. Next, we gotta think about the plan. We'll scan the matrix, and when we find a 0, we'll mark that row and column to be zeroed out later. So put a comment where the main logic goes, Okay, period. Let's get this bread. We'll use the first row and column as markers to keep track of which rows and columns need to be zeroed out. Pseudocode. First, check if the first row or column themselves contain any zeros and remember that. Then, for each cell in the rest asterisk of the matrix, if it's 0, set the corresponding cell in the asterisk first asterisk row and first asterisk column to 0. Okay, so now we need to handle those first row and column edge cases we skipped earlier, right? If first row 0 is true, then loop through the first row and set everything to 0. Same with first call 0. Also, I've added comments to make it super clear what each part of the code does. This is totally ready to submit now. You could asterisk maybe optimize by combining some of the loops, but honestly this is already pretty efficient and readable, and readability is queen.